Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hi, Charlie. You look happy today.
Hey, Chelsea. Yeah, I feel good, but something funny happened yesterday.
Oh, really? What happened?
Someone asked me, "What did you do yesterday?" And I just froze.
Froze? You mean you didn't know what to say?
Exactly. I said, "Nothing much," but actually, I did a lot of things.
Oh, Charlie, you do so many things every day.
I know. I need to learn how to talk about my day in English.
That's a great idea. Talking about your day is super useful. You can use it all the time.
Can you help me practice?
Of course. Tell me everything, from morning to night. I'll listen, ask questions, and help you with new words.
Deal. Let's start from the morning.
So, what time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7. The sunlight was coming through my window.
That sounds nice. Was it warm and bright?
Yes, it was beautiful. I felt good and ready to start the day.
What did you do first?
First, I stretched my arms and took a deep breath.
Stretched your arms? Like this?
Yes, just like that. It helps me wake up.
That's a good habit. Then what?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and looked in the mirror.
And what did you see?
A sleepy face. I still looked tired.
Oh no! Maybe some cold water helped.
Yes, I washed my face with cold water. It woke me up right away.
Perfect. What did you wear after that?
I got dressed. Jeans and my favorite blue t-shirt.
The blue one with white letters?
Exactly. It's soft and comfortable.
So you woke up, stretched, brushed your teeth, washed your face, and got dressed.
That's right. My morning was just getting started.
What did you do next?
I went to the kitchen, made toast, and poured myself a cup of coffee.
Nice. Was your toast perfect or a little burnt?
A little burnt. I forgot to check the toaster.
Happens to everyone. What did you put on it?
Some butter and a little jam.
Yum. Then you left for school.
Yes, I like walking in the morning.
Was it a long walk?
Just 10 minutes. The weather was great, fresh air, people walking their dogs, and kids going to school.
Sounds peaceful. Did you meet anyone on the way?
I met my friend Tom. We said good morning and talked for a bit.
What did you talk about?
Homework, of course. He didn't finish his, but I did mine last night.
Good job, Charlie. You're responsible.
I try to be.
What about lunchtime? Where did you eat?
I went to the cafeteria with some friends. I ordered a chicken sandwich and salad.
Sounds delicious. Did you get what you ordered?
Yeah, not really. They gave me a tuna sandwich instead.
Oh no! What did you do?
I just smiled and said, "That's okay." The tuna sandwich was tasty.
That's a good attitude. Some people would complain.
Yeah, but I don't like to make a scene.
Wise man. So you had lunch with friends?
Yes, we laughed a lot. My friend told a funny story about his cat knocking over a glass of milk.
That must have been so messy.
It was. Everyone at the table laughed.
I love that. Lunch with friends always makes the day better.
Exactly, it's the best part of my day.
What did you do after lunch?
I went to the library to study for 2 hours.
Alone or with your group?
At first alone, but later my classmates joined me. We worked on our history project about ancient Egypt.
Oh, that's interesting. I love history. Did you find good books?
Yes, and I took a lot of notes. The library was so quiet.
Perfect for studying.
After that, I went to my part-time job at the campus cafe.
You work at the cafe? I didn't know that.
Yes, I make coffee and serve drinks. Yesterday, it was really busy.
I can imagine. Everyone wants coffee in the afternoon.
True, but I like it. My friend Sarah works there too, so we have fun.
Did anything funny happen?
Yes, one customer asked for hot chocolate with extra marshmallows.
Sweet.
Very sweet. After work, I went to the gym, ran on the treadmill, did some stretching, and then went home.
You had a full day.
I know, but it was a good one.
Wow, Charlie, you really did a lot yesterday.
I told you, it was busy but fun.
Let's review your day together, okay?
Sure.
In the morning, you woke up, stretched, brushed your teeth, washed your face, and got dressed.
Yes. Then I walked to school, met Tom, and talked about homework.
At lunch, you ate a tuna sandwich and laughed with your friends.
That's right. After lunch, I studied, worked at the cafe, went to the gym, and cooked dinner.
Don't forget, you watched a movie too.
Oh, yes. A comedy movie before bed.
See? Now you can talk about your whole day in English.
Thanks to you, Chelsea.
Anytime, my friend. Now tell me, what will you do today?
That's for our next lesson.